Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful Halloween project. Pumpkin earrings, and here what you see is a pumpkin ring. So how I did them, it's not a difficult project. I will show you step by step how I'm doing these circles, and this is something I already showed you in one of my previous tutorials, like this beautiful circular beaded ring, and you could check the tutorial for this one. It's the same, only the colors are different, and you will see it when you push this eye icon on the right top corner, and you will see how I'm making earrings matching this ring. So now, if you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are ear wires. Here I'm using 8/0 beads in black color. For the set of 3 earrings and a ring, I'm using 3 of them, and I'm using 11/0 seed beads, this black color, green beads and orange beads. And I'm using flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. My monofilament is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and you could use fireline or other beading thread you like. And I'm using this instrument to get closer to my work. You could use scissors, whatever you like. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so for the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take 8 seed beads. Okay, I have my 8 here, and I want to slide them down almost until the end of my thread, and here I'm going to make a knot. I'm making a loop and I'm going once, then I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and then I'm pulling, and what I want to do is go through some beads here in this direction. Now you see I have this beautiful circle of beads. Okay, and what I want to do is take one 8/0, and I will go through the opposite bead here. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, going through the 4th one. This is my 4th one, and in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, so now this is what I have. Okay, and now I want to go 1 bead in this direction, and I'm here in the middle. I have 4 beads from this side and 4 beads from this side, and here is the hole of my middle bead, you see. And now what I want to do is take 1 orange bead and 1 black bead. I have them on my needle, and I'm going back through this orange bead here, and I'm going to continue this, going through the next orange, and what I want to take are 2 orange beads this time. Okay, go through the next orange bead and take 2 more, going back through this one and through the following. and I will take 2 and go through the next 2, then 2 more, go through the following 2 beads. Here is my knot, so it will be a little bit more difficult here. So first I will go through one of my beads, and then I will go through the second one here, and now I want to add a black one and an orange one, and I'm going back in circle through the same bead here. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm going through the next one, taking 2 orange beads, going back through this orange and through the following one like I did before, and I need 2 more orange beads, and go back through the last bead from my previous row. And what I'm doing here, guys, is basically that I double every bead. I add 2 beads over every bead. Okay, now what I want to do is go in my next row just like that, and then I will go through all of those beads here in this direction. I'm going around them, and I want to fix them, stay nice and tight around my previous row. Okay, and I'm exiting here 1 bead after this black one. Okay, and in my next row I will double every second bead. So here I will take just 1 seed bead. I'm going back in circle through this orange bead, then I'm going to the next one, and this time I will add 2 seed beads. And going through the following 2 beads. Then again I'm adding just 1 seed bead. Going through the following, and here I'm adding 1 black and 1 orange bead, and I'm going back through these 2 beads. And here I need 1 black bead, just 1, and I'm exiting out of my next orange. And here is one of my eyes. Then I need 2 orange beads, then just 1, and 2 again. And in my next step I'm adding a black one and an orange one, and I'm starting to make the mouth of my pumpkin. This black bead will be the first one from the mouth. Then I'm taking 2 more, going back through the next 2 black ones, in circle through the first one. Okay, here is what I have. Don't worry, it bends and moves like this, we will fix this later. And then I'm adding 1 more, then 2, then just 1 orange, and again 2, and then 1. I'm alternating 1 2 1 2, and then 2 for the eye. Okay, now this is what I have, and I wanna go one more time around all of my beads like I did in my previous row, reinforcing them. In this row I have 24 beads, in my previous row I had 16, and in my first row I had 8 beads. I double here every second seed bead. In my first row I was doubling every bead. Okay. Okay guys, now this is what I have, and I will add 1 more row, and this time I will double every 3rd bead. So I need 1 seed bead, going back through this one in circle, then I need 1 more, and now it's time to add 2, because I double every 3rd bead here, and this is the 3rd one, so I'm putting 2 beads here. And I will show you one more time, and this row is only out of orange beads. I'm taking just 1 seed bead, then I'm taking 1 more, and now it's time to add 2 beads. Okay, and I will continue this row the same way, 1 1 2 1 1 2. I will have 32 beads in total, and when I'm up to here I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm adding my last 2 beads here, and what I want to do is go in my next row, and I will go around like I did before in all of my other rows, and when I go around, I will come up to here and I'll be back to tell you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and I went around here 2 times, and now I will take 2 seed beads and I will take my ear wire and then again 2 seed beads. So this is what I have on my needle, and as I'm exiting here 2 beads away from this black one, and I will go back through 2 beads in this direction. Okay, just like that, 2 beads. And what I need to do is go through here between those 2 beads, 2 green beads, and I will take 3 seed beads. Here are they. I'm sliding them down, and now I'm forming the leaves of my pumpkin, and I'm skipping this first one and I'm going back through 2 of them. Okay, now this is what I have, and what I want to do is go through those 2 orange beads again. Okay, like that. Pull tight. Then I will go through 1 bead in this direction, and I will repeat the same thing I did from the other side. I'm taking 3 seed beads, sliding them down just like that, moving one of them and going through the other 2 and down through the first one. If you go up, it won't be sticking in this direction, so it's better to go down. Now I have this, and I think it will be too tight to go through these 2 orange beads, so you could go behind this thread bridge. Okay, and reinforce your work a little bit, going through 2 green beads. Okay, and now I will go through my ear wire as well, and I'm pulling. And now guys, what I want to do is make some knots and finish my earring. And in order to do this, I'm going through some beads in this direction. If you want, you could go some more times around this joint here to reinforce it, but now I will show you faster. So I'm making a loop here at my edge, and I'm going once, then I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and then when I repeat these 3 or 4 times, what I need to do is cut my thread, and then my earring is ready, and I have another one here. And now guys, my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. Don't forget that if you want to make the ring, you should follow the eye icon on top and go through the colorful ring tutorial where I'm showing how to make the ring band. And this is the Halloween set. Bye bye from me.